Thanks for watching the Click2Match tutorial video. Assisted by HKTDC's matching experts, we arrange business matching across industries and unveil the latest industry trends for all participants. Click2Match, the smart business matching platform to provide buyers and suppliers with online self-service tools such as video meeting, live chat, meeting planner, and contact exchange. You can access to the platform anytime during the designated period. In the next few minutes, you will be given a detailed guidance to facilitate your online business matching in Click2Match. Ready? Let's begin! After completing the online application successfully, you should receive a dedicated activation email for your Click2Match account. It contains a Click2Match access button, an 8-character unique passcode, and a QR code. You can activate and log in your Click2Match account by either clicking the access button or scanning the QR code shown in the email. And of course, by entering the 8-character unique passcode on Click2Match entrance page as well. If you are unable to reach that page, please clear your browser's cache and allow the pop-up. After the account activation, we suggest you to number 1. Edit your Click2Match profile, and number 2. Go to My Schedule for basic setting. Summary for company information is already shown in your Click2Match account based on what you have provided. Click the icon at the top right corner of the window to start editing. You can upload your profile picture, set your notification frequency and default language here. Remember to also fill in your company description. It helps you matching with targeted buyers or suppliers. Next, go to My Schedule. Edit your preferred time zone, notification channel, and synchronize Click2Match schedule to your calendar. It is important to click Time Availability listed on the top to confirm your available time for meetings. If you are available in the listed time slots, remember to unlock those in the time slot table. Otherwise, buyers or suppliers cannot send meeting requests with your available time slots. After the basic setting, it's time to reach out to your targets. You can go to Suggested for You and check out the AI recommendation based on your matching requirements. It is also a good move to search directly with your own searching criteria. Simple and easy, right? Make sure you have fully utilized the live chat and video meeting functions to initiate business talk. To start your conversation with interested buyers or exhibitors, you can click the chat box icon on the top right corner of the window to open the chat box. Enter your messages, share documents, and exchange contacts whenever you like. What's more, you can also initiate video meetings here. Go to Suggested for You or Search to find your interested buyers or exhibitors. Click Meet to create a meeting request. Enter your messages to show your interest and click Send Meeting Request. That's it. Then go to Meet and click Send to view and check the request status. You can also go to My Schedule and click the video icon next to the meeting. Then, allow access to your microphone and camera and pop-ups in your computer or mobile settings. Click Join Now to join a meeting. The system will then count down the meeting starting time. Remaining meeting time will be shown on the top bar. You could type in message during your virtual meeting. If you are using computer, screen sharing is also available. If you want to invite third party to join the virtual meeting, you can share the meeting link to a maximum of 2 people. The invited parties will be asked to input their names before clicking Join Now, and attendees in the meeting have to click Allow. After the meeting, don't forget to give rating and fill in our survey. Of course, you can also receive requests from buyers or exhibitors who are keen to meet you. Don't miss out! Go to Meet, click Request Received to check out the details. Click Accept Request if you also fancy the video meeting. Then the available time slots will pop up for your selection. Before the end of the tutorial, a few more tips for you to secure a hassle-free video meeting experience. Tip number 1. Scan this QR code or enter this link in your browser to check your device and network before the video meeting. Just to make sure everything is ready and you won't be bothered by any technical problems during the meeting. Tip number 2. Make use of the chatbot function during the video meeting to facilitate your business talk. Tip number 3. Remember to help yourself downloading the shared files and contacts before the platform is closed and unavailable for access. And more online business tips here. Finally, we wish you a fruitful and hassle-free online sourcing and networking journey. Goodbye!